Hi guys, welcome back. There is me, and there is you. Thanks a lot for your subscriptions. Really appreciated all your effort you guys do to actually watch my videos and do your comments. Really appreciate that. So today we're gonna drive to a local park and give the ZD Racing DBX. We're gonna give it a try and see how that thing goes. I mean, first impressions of it is actually does look quite good. Quite like all the detailing on it, and there was a couple of loose screws out of the box. When they done it from factory, they were loose, over tighten it, so it's a bit of a letdown. But anyhow, let's get it running. We'll see you there. Well, that didn't take a lot of effort. Look what I found. I never knew this place was here. Stumble across it. This can go two ways. The easy way or the horribly wrong way. What I'm thinking is going to be horribly wrong. Well, turns out I was quite right. This went not too bad really. Bend rear shock tower, shock mount, and obviously the ring is gone. Apart from that, yeah, it's all good.